And here's my tie-dye inspired puppet.
And I'm gonna have to say, and I don't want to admit this, but I think yours is better. Hey Princess Squad, it's T
and Sparkles, and today we're gonna be doing the Pancake Art Challenge.
Fidget Edition. So we're gonna be playing 3 rounds, drawing different type of fidget toys. And you guys get to pick which person wins each round.
Okay, so for round 1, we're going to be drawing our favorite puppet.
So I decided, I think for mine, I'm gonna do a pineapple one. You guys know I love pineapples.
And I'm going to be trying to create this one. It's so cute.
Super cute. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna put this on warm and spray it. All right, all I need is yellow and green. Okay, I'm gonna start with the base. Then I'm gonna go in with the green. I'm gonna use an orange, I think, to kind of help with the lines. And I'm gonna make circles. Time to flip, even though I think it looks a little bit like a carrot, but we'll see. And 1, 2, flip.
Okay, so now it's my turn, and I'm gonna start with pink, and then we'll go from there. So we're gonna start with a nice big circle. It's coming along, well, at least I think so. Now it's time to flip.
Okay, you guys, round 1 is completed. This is my pineapple, even though I honestly think it looks like a carrot.
And here's my tie-dye inspired puppet.
And I'm gonna have to say, and I don't want to admit this, but I think yours is better. Because mine looks like a carrot!
You guys, I would have to say I'm pretty impressed with myself. I didn't know where this was going, but
I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I think it's safe to say she's the winner of round 1, you guys.
yes! Round 2, monkey noodles. Okay, so I don't know where this is going once again, but I'm gonna try my best. So I'm going to start out with something like this. So it's kind of hard. I would not recommend to do this. It's kind of hard.
Use a spatula. Use your hands.
I'm trying.
It's hard to fit on there, I know. Okay, it's my turn. And this is the results of round 2. Mine's a monkey noodle all dangled up. Hers is 2. Leave a comment down below to let us know who you think won round 2. Final round, a squishy. So this one is one that we made. If you haven't watched her video, make sure you watch it. It's like DIY squishy. This is using the Dr. Squish method, and make sure you check out that video. And we made like a watermelon inspired one.
And this is our Cheeto inspired one.
Flaming hot Cheeto. So round 3, we can pretty much draw whichever squishy ball that we want. We could do one of these, or we could do one of these. Like that one, and then, oh, this one's a really cool one to show you guys.
All those Orbeez in there.
Yup. So whichever one we like. So let's do this round 3. Okay, I think I'm going to make a watermelon inspired squishy. Got my pink and my green.
I'm gonna try to make one like this, but we'll see.
All right, you guys, this is round 3. This is my watermelon inspired squishy.
And here's my Orbeez inspired squishy.
Leave a comment below, let us know who you think won round 3. And we're gonna show you the entire collection so you can let us know who you think won the entire challenge.
And this is Sparkle's collection. We have the Orbeez inspired squishy, the tie-dye Pop-It, and the monkey noodles.
This is T's collection with the pineapple Pop-It, the watermelon inspired squishy, and the monkey noodles. I honestly think it's safe to say that she won.
Me!
I tried, you guys, I tried. Okay, so let's eat up. I think I'm going to stack mine.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah. I'm just gonna move it all. My hands are clean. I'm just gonna eat this anyways.
I'm gonna move my little toppings over.
And I like lots of syrup. Here you go.
I usually like to go light on this side.
And let's eat up, you guys.
Dig in.
It's like little pancake sticks. So good. I honestly would say, I think you outdid yourself today, Sparkles.
You know, I would have to say I think I did too.
Normally, you're not that good at cooking.
Me neither. I know.
But today, I think it's because it's fidget related that you did like a good job.
I don't even know.
Okay, Princess Squad, that's it in today's video. Make sure you follow us on TikTok and Instagram at
PrincessSquad.official.
and give this video a big thumbs up and a like, and let us know what other challenges we should do below. And always remember to dream big,
Have fun.
and be kind.
Bye.
Bye.